Hello little friends, welcome to your favorite channel Kiddo Color Club. Today we're coloring Pig Dad and Pig Kid playing together with a ball. Let's jump into the world of colors. Look here, we have Pig Dad and Pig Kid. Both are running and smiling and tossing a ball between them. Pig Dad has a round belly and Pig Kid is small and playful. What a fun and friendly scene!
Red color, blue color, yellow color, white color.
Red plus blue equals dark purple. Yellow plus blue equals green. White plus red equals light pink. We'll use these new colors to bring the picture to life. Try making these colors at home too. Color mixing is magic. Let's start coloring Pig Dad and Pig Kid. Pig Dad's body light pink, shirt dark purple. Pig Kid's body light pink, shirt bright red, ball yellow and red, grass green, sky light blue, sunlight yellow.
Pig Dad and Pig Kid play. 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 Toss and the ball all day. Toss and the ball all day. Tossing the ball all day. Tossing the ball all day. Colors bright, smile so wide. Colors bright, smile so wide. Friendship and fun side by side. Friendship and fun side by side. Friendship and fun side by side. Friendship and fun side by side.
Wow! It's looking so colorful and full of fun. Friends, if you liked today's video, give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Kiddo Color Club, where every day brings new drawings, colors, and rhymes. See you next time. Bye-bye.